For months, Far Nasser has lived on edge.
It's been very stressful.
His chicken farm in Maryland produces 800,000 chickens a year. The bird flu, which has forced the destruction of chicken flocks across the country, has not paid a visit, at least not yet.
Any shoes that we take from the house to the chicken barn, we take them off in the computer room and wear a new set of shoes and then put them in the bleach powder, and then walk inside the chicken house.
Poultry farmers fear not only exposure to their birds, but also themselves. A number of human cases were recently announced, including in Ohio.
The storm clouds are amassing. I mean, the signal is really there. This will become a problem.
The U.S. Department of Agriculture is tasked with making sure the problem doesn't grow. Over the weekend, several people working on the avian flu were fired at the USDA, part of the massive cost-cutting the president is ordering across the government. But the USDA does tell Spectrum News it rescinded those termination letters. The bird flu is also an issue for the Department of Health and Human Services, presenting a big test for its new secretary, Robert F. Kennedy Jr.
This is the preparatory time. This is where we get everything in a row, right? Our vaccine plan, our treatment plan. I don't think we should wait till we're in a crisis to think about how do we manage the crisis.
But thousands of employees at HHS have already been fired by the Trump administration, and more dismissals could be on the way. The president also withdrew from the World Health Organization.
We've not only cut off our ties and our financial ties, we've cut off communication ties. That doesn't help us. What happens on one side of the globe does impact other people on the other side of the globe pretty easily and readily and fast. So we've got to work together.
Far Nasser is hoping what some medical experts say could become a pandemic won't come to his front door.
It could happen anywhere at any time. That's the stressful part.
In Washington, Reuben Jones, Spectrum News.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Let Spectrum News be your resource for balanced, in-depth political coverage. And click the subscribe button here. You can also download our app and watch us on TV to learn more about the candidates, where they stand on the issues, and more. We'll see you then.